In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete a Wix website. If you no longer need a site in your Wix account, the deletion process happens in two parts. First, you move the site to the trash. Then you permanently remove it from the trash. This is important because moving it to the trash alone does not fully delete it. Start by going to your Wix site overview area and finding the Site Actions button. This is where Wix places several management options for the website you are working with. Click Site Actions to open the drop-down menu. From that menu, select Move to Trash. As soon as you click it, Wix will usually ask you to confirm the action in a pop-up window. This extra confirmation is there to help prevent accidental removal. In the pop-up, click Move to Trash again to confirm that you want to send the website to the trash section. Once that is done, look to the left sidebar menu and click the Trash tab. This section stores websites that have been removed from the main site list but not yet permanently deleted. If your goal is full deletion, this is the place you need to visit next. Inside the trash area, find the site you just moved. Hover your cursor over that trash site. Then click the three dots icon to open more options. A small menu will appear. From there, choose Remove Site. This tells Wix that you do not want to keep the site in the trash and that you want to permanently erase it. After selecting Remove Site, Wix will show one final confirmation option. Click Delete to complete the process. At that point, the website is fully removed. As a quick tip, make sure you are deleting the correct website before confirming the final delete action, because this step is meant to permanently remove it from your account. It is a good idea to pause for a moment and double-check the site name before you click Delete. So to quickly recap, you open Site Actions, move the site to the trash, go to the Trash tab, open the options for the trashed site, choose Remove Site, and then click Delete to finalize it. That covers everything you need to know.